Your 2021 or newer Jeep Grand Cherokee is running hot, and the fix is replacing the integrated thermostat housing, not the radiator. Many owners misdiagnose this issue and waste money on massive cooling system parts. The real culprit is usually a stuck thermostat hidden inside the plastic housing assembly. The 3.6-liter Pentastar engine uses a combined plastic housing and thermostat unit. Over time, heat cycles cause the plastic to warp or the internal spring to fail. When it sticks closed, coolant cannot flow to the radiator at all. Your dashboard temperature gauge will spike into the red zone fast. You can verify this without any special tools. Start the engine and let it run until the temperature gauge rises. Carefully feel the upper radiator hose. If the hose is completely cold while the engine is overheating, the thermostat is trapped shut. The hot coolant is locked inside the engine block. Replacing this part takes about an hour and requires a basic socket set. You need to drain a small amount of coolant first to prevent a mess. Remove the air intake tube to get clear access to the front of the engine. Unbolt the two bolts holding the housing in place. Pull the old housing off and clean the mating surface on the engine block thoroughly. Any leftover gasket material will cause the new part to leak. Seat the new thermostat housing with its rubber gasket and tighten the bolts evenly. Refill the system with Mopar-approved coolant and bleed the air out of the lines. Your Grand Cherokee will run at the perfect temperature again.